This question, in a game of basketball, a forward makes a bounce pass to the center. The ball is thrown with an initial speed of 4.3 meter per second at an angle of 15 degree below the horizontal. Uh, and if it is released zero point 0.8 meter above the floor, so 0.8 meters is this, and it is released like this, which is 15 degree below the horizontal at a speed of 4.3 meter per second. So what horizontal distance does the ball travels before bouncing? So let's make the components of the velocity here. The horizontal component is going to be a 4.3 cos 15 degree, and the vertical component is going to be 4.3 sine 15 degree. So if we talk about only the vertical motion, then at the time when it is about to hit the ground, we can use the uh, second equation of motion to find the time. So s is equal to v naught t plus half a t squared. The displacement is already 0.8. uh, Velocity is given as, we just found as 4.3 sine 15, that is the vertical component. T is unknown, plus half, acceleration is 9.8, and t square is over here. So we multiply by 2 both sides, so pointed times 2 is coming as 1.6, and this is equal to 4.3 times 2, which is coming as 8.6. We are just multiplied by 2 both sides, plus 9.8 t square. So this becomes 9.8 t square plus 8.6 sine 15 degree t minus 1.6 is equal to 0. So the value of the value of time comes out as minus 8.6 sine 15 plus minus square root of 8.6 sine 15 whole square, uh, minus 4, 9.8 minus 1.6 over 2 times 9.8. This is what is coming. So 8.6 times sine 15 square plus 4 times 9.8 times 1.6, and this is definitely going to give me two values, but I'm going to take the positive value because time cannot be negative. So let me just do all this calculation. The numbers are pretty much big. This should be divided by 2 and divided by 9.8. So this is coming as 0.31 second. So this is the time. So the horizontal distance is going to be the speed times time, because there is no acceleration in that direction. So the horizontal distance is got to be speed times time. So the speed is 4.3 cos 15. So this is 4.3 cos 15 times 0.31.